Welcome to Edulix Live. It is an elaborative platform for conducting live classes, meetings and discussions. The first time user need to create their profile by signing up with name, email address and password. Once your profile is created, you will be redirected to the home page. On the home page, you can create multiple classrooms. It will help you segregate the recordings of the class. To create class, click on Create Room. It will ask you for the name of the room and few optional customizations. After the room is created, you can copy the link and share it with your students. When you are ready to start the session, click on Start. It will take you to the next screen where you will be prompted to test your microphone. Just speak something in mic if you can hear back. Click on the thumbs up button and you will be joined in the session. You can see the members of our team have also joined. On the center of the screen, you can see the default presentation, which can be used as a scratchpad. Using the tools on the panel right to you, you can write text, draw lines, circles, triangles, squares, and you can even write on it. Using the plus button at the bottom, you can also upload resources such as presentations. You can also upload any video. If you want to show something from your screen, you can choose to share your screen using this button on the right. Here, you can opt to share entire window, application or particular tab. Edulix Live also brings lots of collaborative features using which you can engage with your students effectively. In the shared scratchpad, you can turn on feature to allow multiple users to use the whiteboard, and everyone will be able to write or draw on scratchboard. Apart from scratchboard, everyone in the session can collaborate on their notes using the shared note features. To understand the viewpoint of the audience, you can start the polls with pre-built options or even customize them. After the polls are over, you can publish them, which will be available to everyone. You can also divide your audience into various breakout rooms where they can independently discuss any topic and join back after the time gets over. You can control the participation of users by promoting them to moderators or presenters so that they can take charge of the session and present their work. The sanity of the session can be maintained by muting users, removing them from meeting and disabling entry to the meeting after a certain time. Public chat could also be used for communication with your participants. The shared notes which you have created earlier could be exported as text file for further use. You can also manage participants using these options. Lastly, you can end the session when done. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Edulix Live. It's completely free. Visit us at live.edulix.com. Link in the description below.